Strip by Strip, a quilting journey. This is strip number 41, and I feel like quilting some feathers, so we're going to quilt some feathers. If you're just joining me throughout this journey, I am sharing 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips. Today, I'm going to be using my long foldable tape measure, and I'm going to be finding the center of my 2-inch strip. So if you're working on a panel like I am here, you'll want to measure across the width and find the center. If you're working on a sit-down machine and you're working on, like, let's say fat quarter size sandwiches, create a 2-inch strip and find the center. Even if it's just like a 10-inch section, find that center point and mark that. We're going to practice quilting feathers coming out from both sides of that. This is something that's really fun to do, like in a border. You can do it on the sides of the quilt, in the bottom, everything coming out. It just creates a really fun effect. I thought it would be fun too to quilt them this time coming down towards the bottom of the quilt. I think it's good to practice going in all different directions. The more you practice, not only the more creative you'll become, but the more confident you'll become in your machine quilting skills. So like I said, I am quilting here on a panel. I'm doing all my quilting on the Gamble 22-inch machine. What you'll be seeing here today is hand-guided free motion quilting. And I am doing all of my quilting in the stitch regulated mode, and I have my stitch length set to 13 stitches per inch. It's just what I like, but I do recommend trying different stitch lengths, different modes on your machine, and seeing what works best for you. If you want to piece a quilt top like I'm quilting on here, we have created this really awesome companion design workbook, which includes the piecing pattern, but it also includes all 99 designs. So they're full scale, 2-color, and then they all have a QR code. So you can scan that QR code with your smart device and it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to quilt the design. So loads of inspiration in that. But let's hop down here to the machine. Let's start out by using the disappearing ink marking pen, marking the center, and then we'll quilt some feathers from there. So I will measure across, and it looks like mine is actually 46 that was really bad measuring. Okay, so let's measure across again. It looks like it's about 42 inches, so 21 inches is going to be my midpoint. I'm going to use this disappearing ink marking pen. I've been liking it lately for, the marking I'm doing up here on the machine. I really like that it's been disappearing. So far it's worked great, but if I have any problems, I'll let you know. All right, so now I'm actually going to be starting my quilting right here in the center. I'll start out with my first feathered shape in the center, and then I'll stitch out to the left, which is not usual for me. I'm usually always starting in the left and working across, but for this design, I will start in the center, work over to the left, then I'll travel back to the center, probably along my ditch, and then I'll quilt this right side. So I'll start quilting right here in the center, and I'm going to start out with my first feather. Okay, so I love that. Like I said, I chose to quilt it coming towards the bottom just so that I can practice quilting. I'm going in all directions. So I'm going to do the playful feather here, so I'll just repeat that shape, building all the way out. Okay, so now that I've traveled all the way over here to the left, I'm going to grab my mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler. I'll stitch in the ditch along here, back over to this point, and then from there, I'll travel down and go right into those feathers. So now I've traveled back here to the center, and I'm going to stitch feathers now coming across to the right side. for joining me in this machine quilting video. I hope you were able to find a bit of inspiration. Don't forget, we have created an awesome companion design workbook that includes all 99 of these designs illustrated, plus we have our favorite QR codes that when you scan those with your smart device, it'll take you right to the video where I show you how to do this machine quilting. Don't forget, I love seeing your work. You can share in our Piece and Quilt Show and Tell Facebook group. Have a great day and happy quilting!